Hello, and welcome to the HelloID Provisioning Product Release video for April 2025. HelloID Provisioning is a 100% born in the cloud, easy to configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network and your cloud applications. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that this video highlights only the new features in the April 2025 release. For more videos, visit docs.helloid.com or check out our YouTube channel. Let's dive in. We'll start with a PowerPoint presentation before moving on to demonstrate the new functionalities for the April 2025 release. In this release, we're excited to introduce 3 new features. With this release, we have introduced the ability to stop all actions from execution. This will not cover the actions which have already been sent to the execution engine or cloud agent, because we don't want to cancel any script which is already running. In this way, we only cancel the actions which are not executed yet, and we don't interfere processes to be executed halfway, having an incomplete result. With this first feature, we are providing more insight information about possible import data errors during the target import of accounts or permissions. For example, when account entitlement are being imported and there is no account reference data available in the import, or in case permissions are being imported and there is no reference data between the accounts and permissions available. This data validation is supposed to provide more information when solving issues in the script configuration for entitlement import. The next feature will not be demonstrated in this video, but will be a part of this HelloID release. In case there is a mapped field in place configured as mapping type none, it will still be available in the output to be used in notifications, for example, but it will not be available in the actionContext.Data anymore. Let's dive in and explore the new features. Let's begin with an exciting improvement in business rules, the ability to cancel running enforcement actions. This feature gives you more control and flexibility during your evaluations. In our demo, we've already started an enforcement action so you can see it in action. As soon as the enforcement starts, you'll notice a small yellow cancel icon appear. It's quick, but important. You can now cancel actions that are either pending, running, or in progress. In progress means actions have been triggered, but not yet picked up by the target system. That's where this new control really shines. You can cancel enforcement before any changes hit the target system. If cancellations are possible, the yellow cancel button will be visible, just like in the demo. This can be especially helpful for long-running processes that are taking too much time or might time out. Once canceled, the action is logged clearly in both the standard logging and external audit logs. In our example, you can see the canceled state reflected in the snapshot history. This offers a clear record of what was canceled, when, and by whom. You'll also find canceled actions recorded in the entitlement history. It's all about visibility, so you can quickly understand what happened and why. Let's move on to another great improvement: validation feedback under target snapshots. In previous versions, we showed validation warnings, but now we've added even more helpful detail. You'll now see a yellow triangle if issues are detected, such as duplicate entries, exceeded field sizes, or missing required fields. Just hover to get a quick summary of what's wrong. These validations are separated for account and permission imports. So, for example, if you only have issues in your permissions, that's the only place you'll see a warning. It also works well if you're importing multiple permission scripts. Each script is validated individually, giving you targeted and clear feedback. To go a step further, we've introduced an Issues button. This opens a detailed fly-in window that shows specific data issues, including the impacted accounts. Take this example. One person is missing a display name, a required field. Another has a duplicate account reference. We'll highlight both the field and the issue clearly so you can resolve it quickly. You'll also get alerts for field sizes that exceed the data limits. Our demo uses a bit of lorem ipsum to show how too much data is flagged instantly. Keep in mind, The Issues button is only available for the latest snapshot. If you switch to an earlier one, the button disappears, but the exclamation icon and summary still remain. That way, you're always informed without any clutter. As we conclude this overview of the latest HelloID release, we hope you're as excited as we are about these enhancements and new features. They're designed to streamline your experience, improve security, and ensure your system's integrity with advanced configurations and mappings. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for choosing HelloID for your identity and access management needs.